It's kind of stormy out here on this evening of Tom's 21st birthday. Yep. Getting in the car to take Tom somewhere to go pick him something up to eat. I think that I'm probably the only person that Tom would go somewhere to get something to eat with, because I don't think he trusts the other people. Let's go to the mailbox. I don't think he would. Ain't that right, Tom?
What?
I don't think that you would trust anybody else to take you anywhere on your 21st birthday today.
Yeah.
Would you trust them?
I don't know.
I mean, like, where do you think that they would tell to take you? Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Because they've all been talking about what Tom might get to do on his 21st birthday.
Oh, God.
Yeah, I know. Also, now when we have a family get-together. Here, Tom, here's your beer. Right? Everybody else gets one. Sadie will be standing around going like this. Let me get it. Am I making a pout?
Yeah.
Because she don't turn 18 till September. And then still she's not 21, so nobody will be offering her one.
Yeah.
Where are you going to go to eat right now? Where you want?
How old is she?
She'll be 18 in September. You're 3 years older than her.
I know.
What do you want to get to eat today? Hurry up,
I already told you.
Checkers? When somebody, and a milkshake, even when people's going to buy it for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
God.
Guess we better get moving before that storm comes, if we get it done in time. Okay, well, happy birthday, Tom. 21. Okay. Well, we just ordered. We got crystals. And boy, that was a term. I had such a time ordering at that wet box there, I didn't even think about recording it. But I'm cleaning up my mess now, where the rain came in. There's a shelter there. Doesn't do much good at all. And the rain was coming from the other way. He couldn't even hear me. It's pouring so hard.
You can hear it.
Yeah, he couldn't even hear me. It was pouring so bad. I guess that dark cloud decided to go ahead and dump itself before we got home. But if you go through the drive-through earlier in the day, there's the lines all the way out in the street, you know, so I'll get it about cleaned up here. I hope their shed over at the pay part is better than this. I hope so.
Better be long enough.
Yeah.
Wind better not be wet past.
I guess there ain't nobody standing out taking orders at the Chick-fil-A right now. But anyway, it wasn't raining until after we got our crystals. So, my shirt's wet. I didn't think it was that wet, or that I got that much. He couldn't hear me, so he had to repeat the order. Oop, hands in the way. Because of the rain. I guess these people are just, us and these people behind us, are just bound and determined to get something ice creamy.
80% humidity.
Yeah, we're getting, a large chocolate shake, large strawberry shake, large strawberry sundae, and a, what do you call it? Oreo brownie confection. That's what it's called, confection. Yeah. Had one of them a while back, and he said it was good. Oh, it's just getting worse. Okay. Well, I guess we might be eating in the cars. You know? Because I may not run in the house like this. Anyway, we'll see how it goes. I know. I can't run.
Risk of you slip and fall.
Somebody will throw me a bar of soap as I'm going to the house. Because I can't run. And if it's raining like this when we get to the house, you know, how about some Irish Spring? Irish Spring's supposed to keep the bugs off your plants. I can just take it, you know, an Irish Spring shower out there next to the plants. See? And if I do that out there next to the plants, that's supposed to keep the bugs off the plants. You know? Well, it's supposed to anyway. Okay. Alright, well, I'll quit now. Yeah, look at the Dairy Queen line now. They're down there. There's people waiting down there to get in. Okay, see how much it's raining? Wow. Wow, look at the water going down the road. Oh, look here, rushing. Yeah, wow. I gotta wait till there's nothing coming. Cars going through that stuff. Wow, 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 wow. Look at that. Splurge. Alright, now, the car behind me, I gotta go. I guess I'll get in the splurge with them. Alright, here we are. Can't see the road hardly where it is. Splurging, splurging. Man, it's flooding. Here it comes.
Oh, good.
I'm trying to stay on the road. It's flooded. Look at that.
God.
We're down in a dip right now. The windshield wipers is going as fast as we can go.
Yeah.
Right here, man.
Good God. That always floods like that.
You don't know it. I don't want to go to the back way to the house. Going the back way to the house, you
Oh
wow.
my goodness.
Gotta go slow.
You better go. You had your window open.
Oh.
Closed. Whatever.
That's right.
When that person went by. You, yeah, man, right in the car, wouldn't you?
Yep. Well, I bet you that's fixing to flood across the street from the house. And that where that creek is down there at the bottom
Yep.
of the hill down there, you know, where they was filming The Walking Dead, but
Yep.
that's flooding down. If this is doing this right here, then it really is. Can't go any faster. It's flooding going down now. The person behind me's not going fast either. They're way back there. So all these people go way too fast.
Yep.
That window's trying to fog. Turn on the window knocker. Happy birthday, Tom. Flooding day. Happy flood day, yeah. Alright.
Oh, you can see where the end of the clouds are.
Yeah, see over there? You just might be able to get in there.
I don't think I want to. No.
Just in a minute, it might, you know, calm down a little bit more. It has calmed down.
Ah,
It has calmed down some, you know. I can turn the windshield wipers down a little bit. Well, I can smell that strawberry sitting there.
yep. I do not want to get up.
I used to get strawberry butterscotch Sunday, but they don't have them anymore. They don't have butterscotch anymore here. Those places. I guess a lot of these people was waiting until the rain stopped before they went out. A lot of them anyway.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't think I want to go in.
You don't want
No, it's raining too much.
to? Go ahead. Okay, well, whatever. Go ahead, go ahead. Watching with the children and stuff going on. The man didn't want to go across with us. You sure you don't want to? You just want to go home?
Yeah.
It's nothing you want so bad up here.
No. To walk in the rain, no.
Okay, because you don't know if it's going to start to pouring again.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, well, it might start pouring.
Look at that man over there. Motorcycle underneath the thing.
Yeah, he had to pull it over here.
Oh, he had to stick it underneath the
Pull
shelter.
that down a little bit.
Get out of the rain.
Yeah. Oh. Now I can have a smoke.
Yep.
Just keep on. You've might see something flooded. Just hold it for a few minutes more until we get down this way. I see something else that's flooded really bad or something.
Yeah.
There's this Kroger sets up higher, you know, so it's not going to do like that. You know?
Yeah. Plus, I got a drain in right there.
I bet that drain's working. It's working triple time a while ago or something.
Yeah.
Right here's where the sinkhole is, you know, right in here.
Yeah.
Too much rain and have that sinkhole it fell in again. Hopefully I won't be the one in the car when it happens. So. Go over here. Nothing coming. Alright.
And once we get back out here, it's going to start beating the car back
It
again.
might. Wish it would give me a green light. I wonder if everybody's turned on their lights. I didn't get a green light because I said, get there quick enough. Get out of my way, truck. Or whatever it is, and I'll get out of it. Road's still covered with water.
Yep.
Trying to drain. Beat the flowers off the trees over there. Didn't it?
Yeah.
Tried to.
There's one limb hanging down all the way to the ground.
Yeah. Because it was a lot.
Yeah.
That should have been called a flash flood, you know? Should have been. Green. Okay. Wasn't looking. It's green. Just sitting there looking around. We're gonna go down that creek. You said it's flooded up here. It's too flooded. We'll turn around.
The guy missing his headlight.
Yeah. See if that creek is flooded up right there. Heavier because we're going back into it again.
Mm-hmm.
So we're coming out of it. We're back down below again. I have seen this creek down here flooded all the way up to the AutoZone door. You know, the right on the parking lot that's done. I have seen it flooded that far up when the creek overflowed. Looks like the creek ain't overflowed.
Oh.
I have seen the parking lot all the way over. Lord, only couldn't get through there or get through here. And at the same time, it was flooded up up each street. Right, there you go. Right there.
Yep.
I told you it was. Let's get some of this stuff. Curious as to what it is in the house. You know, I like to park in the front area. I won't park on the drivers. Okay. Is that creek overflow down in that way?
No.
No, darn it. Now I'll figure it. So it has been where that car, all them car wheels wheels would have been, well, that truck wheels would have been
Yep.
overflowed, but it's not doing it, you know. If it keeps on, it's going to. Backyard's a lake, so I'm gonna park here. Still got my other spot. Okay. Guess that's it. You can turn it off. Well, Tom, shake rolled out of the thing, you doodle.
Yeah. Your chocolate shake is
Out of
fine.
the car. You know, that's why I said you want to go back and get another one?
No, I don't want no other one. That's bad luck.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. What happened was bad luck.
Alright, well. There it is out there on the ground. Are you sure you don't want to go back and get another one? If you do, all right.
Sure, I don't care.
Maybe
it's
in a-
raining and I'm wet.
Okay. Alright, well,
I want to throw the rest of this out in the yard.
don't. I'm sorry. I'll get you one tomorrow then if you want.
I have to work tomorrow.
Well, the plants all getting watered anyways, aren't they? See how it's flooded over here? Just didn't flood out of the banks over there. Oh, wow. We just had a big track of thunder. I think it's fixing to rain. It's a Tuesday. I'm going to pick Tom up from work. I think so. See, these things are seeding out. I didn't cut these yet, but anyway, it looks like a storm. I don't know if he's grouchy or not. Well, part of the sky is clear and part of it's cloudy, so I can't tell.
Can I scratch my barcode on my 20 ticket?
Oh, yeah? That's pretty good. Can't get the other side right now, but you know, well, that'll work.